Leo Wamuthende Njeru has duly been elected as
ni hotani uria muthio regwateirwo ni kiama kia UDA mwena wa mbere ya Rugongo kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria Leo Wamuthende arahotanire na kura 15,000 na 402 guku nake mung'ethaniri wake munene Newton Karish wa kiama kia DP akiyukia kura 15,308.
Whichever side they chose, I am now the member of National Assembly. I have made commitments not only to those who elected me, but to all residents of Mbeere North.
Kiama kia UDA no kironanirie gukorwo kirio na mayo kuona no kirayukirie hotani turo-ini cia ubunge mwena wa Banisa kuria Ahmed Malim Hassan arahotanire nake David Ndakwa wa kiama giki akihotana gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Malava na kura 21,564 agitoria Seth Panyako wa kiama kia DAPK. Na kuwa gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kasipul kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay muhoraniri wa giturwa giki na tigiti wa kiama kia ODM Boyd Were niwe urayukirie hotani na kura 13,419 agitoria Philip Aroko uria urayukirie kura 8,476 uria urahuranagira giturwa giki ta muhoraniri kiumbe. Kiama kia ODM no kirayukirie hotani gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Magarini kuria Harrison Kombe arahotanire na kura 17,909 agitoria Stanley Kenga wa kiama kia DCP uria urari na kura 8,907.
As a party we are united. This figment of imagination ya wale ambao kwamba who don't hold any party positions kisha wanaropokwa, this is the power of unity, the power of what we can be able to do. Last elections, zile ambao kwamba ilikuwa ni difference between Harry Kombe and the other candidate was very minor.
29 votes.
This time round, it's in thousands.
Na kuria na kuwa gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Ugunja, Moses Omondi wa kiama kia ODM arahotania na kura 9,227 agitoria Orodio Thiambo wa kiama kia Wiper uria urayukirie kura 1,819.
My focus will be purely on development agenda. I'll continue to sustain the development agenda of this great constituency of Ugunja.
Na kuwa wadini ya Kariobangi North goko Nairobi, David Wanyoike wa Rui wa kiama kia DCP ni urayukirie hotani agitoria John Katua uria urari muhoraniri kiumbe o hamwe na Michael Majua wa kiama kia ODM. Kiama kia DCP kironania gukorwo gikiarira mayo makio makioteti kuria kirayukirie iturwa ingi wadini cia Narok kuria Douglas Masikonde arahotanire nake Dickson Okwiri akihotana wadini ya Kisa East mwena wa Huisero kaunti-ini ya Kakamega. Hadini ya Kameme TV leto lako ni Bataru wa Mwage.